Hey everyone, welcome back to CSICO, your go-to place for tech tips and tricks. Today, I will show you how to change your Windows 11 clock format from 24-hour format to 12-hour format step by step. It's super easy, so let's dive in. First, open the settings by clicking on the Start menu and selecting Settings. Next, head over to the Time and Language on the left-hand side menu. Then click on Language and Region. This is where all region settings are managed. Scroll down to the region format section and click Change Formats. Finally, under Show Time, select the last option which have AM and PM in it to switch to 12-hour format. And that's it. Your Windows 11 clock is now in 12-hour format. Pretty simple, right? Let me know in the comments if you have any other doubts or suggestions. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more handy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.